and there is this one, and this is this one. For the trigger, the wire will go through the MIG pouch, and the wire will come out from the torch. When the wire comes out, it gets stopped here, and we will show you how to solve this problem. We need to, now it can come out. Then we can put this nozzle back, also put this big nozzle back. Now it is okay. The problem is solved. Okay, so we will change to MMA function and show you how we can assemble for MMA. We'll show you how to assemble the cables for MMA function. We push this button and now it is in MMA function position. You can see the light for MMA is on. We need to connect the earth clamp to this black one. And this is the electrode holder. This is the electrode holder to this position. And we need to put the rod to this